Hello, welcome to the Key Stage 1 singing assembly. Let's start by putting our hands up in the air and singing hello high, hello low, hello high, hello low, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello loudly, hello quietly, hello slowly, hello fast, hello slowly, hello fast, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum, hello popcorn, hello chewing gum. Right, we're going to start by learning a song about the gruffalo. These are the animals living in the deep dark wood who are singing, and they're singing about how they use their senses, their sense of hearing and their sense of seeing, being able to see, their sense of sight, and their sense of smell. And they're using all these different senses to detect if the gruffalo is nearby. The words are, we're the animals, all the animals living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences. Now, a defence is something that keeps you safe and protects you, as every animal always should. Let's have a listen to that bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. Let's have a go. Let's break it down line by line. My turn first, and then you have a go. We're the animals, all the animals. Okay, your turn. We're the animals, all the animals. Next line, my turn first. Living here in the deep dark wood. Okay, now it's your turn. Living here in the deep dark wood. Let's do those two lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. Good. Let's do the next line. We use our senses as our defences. Can you hear how it rhymes? Senses, defences. That's kind of useful, isn't it? Let's give it a try. My turn, your turn. We use our senses as our defences. Okay, now your turn. We use our senses as our defences. And the last line of this verse, as every animal always should. Your go. As every animal always should. Let's see if we can do those 4 lines all together. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. Good. Let's go on to the next bit now. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know. So we've got the fox and the owl and the snake. Fox, owl, snake. Do them in that order, okay? So you have a go. 1, 2, 3. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know. And then the next line goes like this. You should always run away if you... Have a go at that. You should always run away if you... Good. And then we're going to have 6 empty beats. We're going to go, if you hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you do that? Or maybe you could do some ears, having a listen around. If you hear... Oh, what are they hearing? What have those ears heard? A gruffalo. So I'll just show you how the line works all together. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know. You should always run away if you hear a gruffalo. Now what I'm doing in my head is I'm counting to 6, because there are 6 beats before we sing a gruffalo. So if you hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a gruffalo. Just have a go at that. If you hear 1, 2, 3, a gruffalo. Did you get it? Should we try one more time? If you hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a gruffalo. Let's have a go at the whole song using hearing. So you can either do like this for listening and hearing something, or you can make yourself some fox ears and have a listen. Okay, it's up to you. Let's go from the beginning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you hear a gruffalo. Did you get that gruffalo bit in the end? Now this time we're going to do it with smelling. So instead of waving our ears about, we're going to sniff 6 times. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you smell a gruffalo. Pardon me. Right. Our last verse is about seeing a gruffalo. Now this time we're going to look around for those 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But on the 6th beat, we're going to see the gruffalo. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you see a gruffalo. Okay, do you think we can do the whole song? So we're going to go round 3 times. The first time we're going to hear the gruffalo. The second time we're going to smell the gruffalo. And the last time we're going to see the gruffalo. And I expect we're going to run away. Okay, here we go from the beginning. Are you ready? I hope you're standing up because you can do some actions with this and you can act out being the animals running away at the end. Okay. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you hear a gruffalo. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you smell a gruffalo. We're the animals, all the animals, living here in the deep dark wood. We use our senses as our defences, as every animal always should. And the fox and the owl and the snake all know you should always run away if you see a gruffalo. Okay, I hope you enjoyed singing that. Why don't we finish by singing one of the songs we know really well? How about Love is Something If You Give It Away? Okay, love is something if you give it away. You end up having more. It's just like a magic penny. Hold it tight, you won't have any. Lend it, spend it, you'll have so many they'll roll all over the floor. Okay, let's have a go. I think that's going to be too high. I'm not going to be able to sing up there. Love is something if you give it away, give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you end up having more. It's just like a magic penny, hold it tight and you won't have any. Lend it, spend it and you'll have so many, they'll all roll over the floor. Love is something if you give it away, give it away, give it away. Love is something if you give it away, you'll end up having more. Okay, how about one of our counting songs? How about 5 dog biscuits on a plate? Do you remember the naughty dog comes along and eats one of the biscuits? It's very bad. Okay, let's have a go at that one. 5 dog biscuits on a plate. They're not ready, so you'll have to wait. 5 dog biscuits on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, dog. 4 dog biscuits on a plate. They're not ready, so you'll have to wait. 4 dog biscuits on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, he's eaten the 4th. I'm doing this very badly today, aren't I? 1, 2, 3. Oh, dog. 3 dog biscuits on a plate. They're not ready, so you'll have to wait. 3 dog biscuits on a plate. 1, 2. Oh, dog. 2 dog biscuits on a plate. They're not ready, so you'll have to wait. 2 dog biscuits on a plate. 1. Oh, dog. 1 dog biscuit on a plate. It's not ready, so you'll have to wait. 1 dog biscuit on a plate. Oh, dog. Oh well, I got there in the end, didn't I? Right, shall we finish up by putting our hands in the air and going goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye high, goodbye low, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye loudly, goodbye quietly, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye slowly, goodbye fast, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum, goodbye popcorn, goodbye chewing gum. See you next time.